How to fix an HP printer that is offline or not responding from a Windows computer. If you are printing from your Windows computer and encounter a printer offline status, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1. Run Diagnose and Fix. From the taskbar, search for and open the HP Smart app. If you do not have the HP Smart app on your computer, it can be downloaded for free from 123.hp.com or from your App Store. On the HP Smart homepage, select the Diagnose and Fix icon in the bottom left of the window. Select Start to diagnose and fix any issues related to the printer. Note: do not close HP Smart while the troubleshooter is running. If any issues were found, follow the on-screen instructions to resolve them. If no issues were found, select Done and continue to the next step. Step 2. Set the default printer. From the taskbar, search for and open Printers and Scanners. Under Printing Preferences, make sure the Let Windows Manage My Default Printer option is toggled off. Select your printer from the list to open the Options menu. Select the Set as Default button in the top right corner to set the printer as the default option. If none of these steps have resolved the issue, contact HP Support at support.hp.com for additional help.